Hi, my name is Anastasiia Sarmakeeva. My presentation is Weibo Corporation Investment Analysis. Weibo is a social microblogging network where people share their content. That project started as direct analogous of Twitter with almost 500,000 active users. Million active users. The company measure income stems from marketing and advertisement contracts, including social advertisement and other marketing tools. Weibo lets its clients promote their brands and products to their users. The main partner of Weibo is Alibaba, which that company controlling 30% company stock and its major stock, as well as SINA, parent company. More than half users living in China, and a lot of companies having and media organizations having their blog on Weibo platform, and they're using Weibo as a platform to promote their products and sell them. Revenue breakdown. The main revenue is coming from advertising and marketing, and it includes social display advertisement and promoted marketing. Social display advertisement, they allow customers to place their advertisement on particular areas of platform or website in particular formats, and it's usually for a certain amount of time, no longer than 3 months. Value-added services revenues. It is something which is similar to VIP membership or game-related services. VIP membership mainly includes a service package consisting of one performance obligation of providing to users such as daily priority listing and higher quota for following users' accounts, as well as sales from live streaming. The Weibo having a contract with Weibo platform, which is used for live streaming, and during live streaming they're promoting their products and then they sell it. Cost of revenue, maintenance platform, infrastructure cost, bandwidth, personal related expenses, stock-based compensation, content license fees, and turnover taxes. From the plot below, we can see that revenue were growing from year 2016 to year 2019, although expenses remain the same. But also based on that revenue, we can say that the last 3 years revenue remains the same. Weibo, as I described, based on their revenue, is internet and media service business. It is a cyclic company because income depends on the business cycle. Does the company have partners or what development stage on country's market company is? If company just starting their business in a new country, then the company at the beginning of the cycle, and as soon as company will get market recognition, the company will get advertising contracts, and then the company will increase their revenue. The company life stage is difficult to define. Most likely it's mature phase because revenue and income for the last 3 years have almost not changed. After significant growth, then the company went to IPO. The company has strong partners, Alibaba, which gives a big portion company's income from advertisement contracts. The net cash flow from operating activities have stable growth. The net cash flow from investing activities, we can see that company hedging their risks, and net cash flow from financial activities remains the same in year 2019 and year 2020. Financial metrics. As we can see, the revenue grows, but the last 3 years, it remains the same. EBITDA went down in the year 2020, as well as net income. I suppose that it's related to the pandemic situation, although gross margin remains almost the same, even when company went to IPO. Enterprise value to sale went down since company went to IPO, and enterprise value to EBITDA also went down, as well as enterprise value. Weibo in their report defines as their competitor next companies: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Snapchat, Pinterest, Line, and KakaoTalk. And I decided to compare two companies, Twitter and TikTok. Twitter, just because it was direct analogous of Twitter, and TikTok, because I think TikTok is TikTok getting significant growth and recognition. And we can see that Weibo had their peak in year 2017, and price to sale value went down, as well as enterprise value to sale. For Twitter, we have different dynamics, and they haven't for both, for price to sale and for enterprise value to sale, Twitter have growth, and TikTok price growing, although TikTok shares not available on the stock market yet. I think that Weibo situation could be affected by China politics and censorship policy launched in 2019, and that's why probably investors more afraid to invest in that company, and that's why price the main metrics going down. This is it. Thank you for listening.